Amity, and today we're going to be showing you a little tutorial on how to get perfect summer glowing skin all the way through autumn. So at first what we're going to do is prep skin with the Marc Coconut Primer and just a beauty blender. One pump on the back of your hand is all you really need, and then you just easily spread it over the skin, starting from the centre and working your way out. This will give your skin a really dewy, fresh look because it's got so many hydrating products and ingredients in there. And then from there, it makes everything a lot easier once you pop it on. For foundation, to keep it nice and natural, I like to use a buffing brush. This particular one is just really soft and really easy to use, and I use a really light foundation that you can build up if you want to. So this one is a creamy foundation and I mix to get the perfect colour. So once you've done your foundation, you want to go in with concealer. I'm using a creamy concealer from RCMA today, and I'm just popping it on with a brush and then spreading it out with a beauty blender. Okay. Now that you have a nice face, it's time to pop on a little bit of powder. I like to use a highlighting powder for underneath the eyes. It stops it going too heavy, and also it keeps that nice bright dewy feeling that you want. Back to this one. And we're just going to press it underneath the eyes so you don't move the concealer. So to add colour on the face, I'm just going to use a lipstick. Pop it onto the back of your hand. This particular one is a really bright red coral. And only the tiniest bit, pop it on your ring finger and press it out on your skin. And then just lightly press it into the cheeks. I find coral is really great for summer because it's that sun-kissed kind of colour. It works really well with bronzers and all those neutral shades that you tend to wear in your clothing through summer. Almost looks like a blush that's come from within. To finish it off, you're going to just pop it on with a beauty blender to really press it into the skin. And this helps it just melt into your foundation. And use the same colour on the lips. Just lightly brushing it on. We don't want it to be too bright. We want to keep it all about just beautiful skin. And the last step to your glowing skin is all about popping on a beautiful highlighter. This particular one is a double-ended highlighter. One side is a clear balm and the other side is a golden highlighter cream. I'm going to use a mix of both to be able to get the perfect glow. So putting the balm on the highest points, just to give that skin that really beautiful moist look. And then the gold goes where we want it to really glow. Right on that cheekbone. Same just on the top of the lip. Put the balm on top. And just mix and build until you're happy with the amount of dewiness. There's lots of different ways you can use this particular product and lots of different versions of it out there, but I find this particular one, because it comes in a stick form and it's really easy to use, you can just draw it straight on your face if you want to, or you can press it really lightly with your fingers. So our final step for this particular one is all about powdering when you don't want shine. So for a makeup to be really glowy and beautiful, you want it to look like hydration, not like sweat. So to get the perfect glow, you just want to isolate the areas that you don't want to be shiny, like along the bottom of your cheek, underneath the cheekbone, bottom of your chin, either side of the nose. And this will eliminate any sort of sweaty shine, instead it will just be all about a balmy glow. So this is our finished look. We've applied some beautiful highlighters, all really creamy products to get a really subtle glow all the way through autumn. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!